My name is Adebayo and my company name is EasyTech Engineering Works Limited. Here we are dealing in all kinds of industrial fabrication works like toning, grooving, forming, iron threading or iron cutting, even drilling. We can drill any hole size in any kind of iron surface. We form and shape any kind of tools, rod or iron. If we are provided with the samples of the items, we will make it perfect and better. If you have any kind of iron machine parts that you think it's condemned, we can confidently reproduce it and it will last much longer than the original version with guarantee. We reproduce and thread on any automobile parts like brake disc, crankshaft or any other shaft. No matter the size of the tools or the shaft that is required, we will surely make it to fit in with the original parts or original machine. We are very professional and our work is perfect. We can confidently say that we are incomparably excellent. This is the drilling machine. This is the machine we use in drilling any size of hole in any iron, rod or iron plate. It is a very powerful machine that can drill hole on any iron surface. When we are making production and we require to drill a hole, this is the machine we use for that purpose. This is our grinding machine also, and we use this machine for roughing and finishing flat and conical surfaces. We also use this machine for sharpening cutting tools, snagging or removing rough projections from casting and stampings. We also use it for cleaning and polishing surfaces. One of the other things also we do is reconstruction of bolts and nuts, or will I say remolding of bolt and nuts, and also forging of bolt and nut, whatever word you can use for it. If you have any machine or any equipment that its bolts is no longer available in the market, we assure you that we can fabricate that bolt or that nut to fit that machine original size. So please follow us on Weafricans app. Just type EasyTech Engineering Works and click the follow button. If you have any product or services that have a relationship with what we just mentioned here, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our price is very much commensurable. You really like it. Thank you very much. We appreciate and we'll be expecting your call.